Frustrated by the Remote Desktop User Interface DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To kick off the manual repair for Remote Desktop User Interface, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Remote Desktop User Interface. This library contains the user interface elements for the Windows Remote Desktop Connection client. It manages the login prompts and connection progress dialogs. If missing, the Remote Desktop app, mstsc.exe, will fail to open its main window, often reporting RDP Interface could not be loaded. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Remote Desktop User Interface DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Remote Desktop User Interface component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Remote Desktop User Interface DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Remote Desktop User Interface Management references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Remote Desktop User Interface. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.